A big thank you to the Catapult partners, the American Friends of Jamaica, Kingston Creative, and Fresh Milk. You have brought together the entire Caribbean. You juggled artists, painters, sculptors, musicians, and photographers, videographers, storytellers, poets. You did it in English, French, Spanish, and Dutch. Never before has the Caribbean been brought together using technology like this for artists to tell their stories, their lives open and their craft exhibited. In times of hardship, Annalie and Catherine, you found the silver lining and you brought us all with you. Thank you. Sheshe.